Hi, my name is Angela, and today we're going to be doing a twist on the bold smoky eye. We'll be using emerald greens and golds, which is perfect for the season and a winter wedding, whether you're a bride or a guest. So first we're going to moisturize. This season, it's super important to keep your skin hydrated with the cold weather. This is a medium weight foundation. She's got great skin, so we don't need to cake it on or use something that's full coverage. So we're gonna wait until the concealer until after we do the smoky eye, just in case we get any fallout. We can just clean it off and then go from there. Now I'm gonna brush her brows up a little bit so we can fill in. She's already got a great brow shape, so we don't have to do too much. First, I'm going in with a little bit of an olivey gold tone, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Green can be a little bit scary to use, but if you just build slowly, then you won't go overboard. So now I'm going in with the bright green, and we're just gonna put that on the outer corner around the crease. We're just gonna build really slowly and make sure everything is blended really well. I love using like a soft blender brush so that you're not getting any harsh lines on the outer corner, and you can build this as dark and deep as you want. So now I'm going to go in again with a more dense brush in the crease and just darken that tone a little bit more. Everything is just starting to mix together. A little bit more gold. We're still just blending everything kind of towards the center. Open your eyes, look up. We're gonna tuck a little bit of the green under the lash line too for extra drama. I'm just taking an angled brush with a little bit of the dark green shade and just gently going under the lash line. Green is awesome because it looks so good with so many people's eyes, whether it's brown, blue, hazel. Okay, now we're gonna curl the lashes. Look down, but don't close. So when you're doing the mascara, you're just gonna be starting at the root and extending out. So now I'm gonna use a liquid liner. We're gonna kick it out a little bit from the outer eye so that it's a little more dramatic. When you're putting on the lash, try to get the middle first, and then work your way out. So this is pretty much it for the first eye, and we're gonna repeat the exact process for the other eye so we can even her out. We're gonna do a really sexy pony about mid-height with some volume on the top, and this is gonna go really well. It's not gonna look too fussy, you're not gonna look too done up. The focus is gonna still be on the eyes, but you've got a really nice look in the back as well. So first I'm gonna use a dry shampoo. You can use a dry shampoo on clean hair, you can use it on day-old hair. It just adds a nice texture and gives you something to work with so your hair is not too smooth. So the next thing I'm gonna do is section off the hair and give it a little bit of a wave. This will give it more body so it doesn't look flat when it's in the ponytail. So I like to hairspray before. This is gonna still add more texture, more body, and the hair is gonna be easier to curl. I'm using a wand. This is an 1.5 inch barrel. So this is gonna give her a nice, loose, relaxed wave. I'm holding it perpendicular. So you're gonna get less of a corkscrew and more of a smooth wave. So I like to do a little twist in the back to keep the volume, and then pin. And the next step is pull the rest of the hair into the ponytail. If you have really thick hair, you could do 2 separate ponytails, but her hair is not as thick. I think we can fit it into one. So we've got the pony at mid-height now. Secure it with a thick elastic, and then you've still got this pretty twist in the back, and it's gonna keep your height there too. So the next thing you want to do is separate a small piece. We're going to cover the elastic with her hair, a small piece from the bottom. Make sure you have enough to wrap it around a couple times, and then just secure it with a couple pins. Finish with a little more hairspray, and that's about it. So there you have it, a completed hair and makeup look, perfect for a winter wedding.
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And be sure to check out the rest of our channel for new videos every week. Seriously, just hit the subscribe button.